Hi there. Welcome to my Patreon. Welcome to the VDC Patreon. Make sure you guys um, subscribe to my Patreon. You can actually get my Revit files from my tutorials. So it's very much interesting. Um, just for this amount every month, you can actually get some of the files I produced, high level of detail models that I produce and also the ones I produce from my YouTube tutorials. And I also came up with a new idea of coming with different tiers. So for the first one is the normal one, the premium membership. It involves some of the advanced modeling tutorials that I do on YouTube, such as the bridge modeling ones, which um, those ones are involved in this particular tier. And then the new ones involve computational design, which is basically using Dynamo and all those visual programming languages in order to model any structure in Revit. But most of the time, I will cover bridge modeling, and you can actually get my Dynamo scripts from this tier and also my bridge models that I produce using those Dynamo scripts. And the next one also is the bridge information modeling, BRLM. And this is the tier that involves bridge modeling and also producing high level of detail bridge components and also Dynamo scripts relating to those particular bridge models. So, what the perks that is involved with this tier are Dynamo scripts, the bridge models also. And then the last one is the multidisciplinary BIM models. This basically involves all the Revit files that includes different sets of disciplines that I'm going to model. So for instance, I'm going to produce a tutorial that involves structural, architectural, and plumbing, and also MEP models. And then I will manage to integrate them into a single model and produce an IFC or some sort of those open format models, such as the IFC, or I can actually integrate them using Navisworks. So this is very much interesting. It's basically it caters towards those who want to go the route of beam coordinations and beam managers and all those things. So yeah, that's it. Other than that is what you guys are used to. So these are just my Revit tutorials and also Revit files involved with those particular Revit tutorials. But some of them are in under this particular tier of $2 a month. So make sure that you guys subscribe to this membership so that you can get some of the files like this one for the bridge pedestrian bridge model and this one for the bridge pier and this one for the food bin project I did for the warehouse distribution center and so on and so forth. So yeah, for those who already subscribed, thank you. But I guarantee you, if you go with this membership, you will get a lot more than you guys are accustomed to. So yeah, thank you again for being subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial. Peace.